My best advice for you when you're working with questions like this is to list off the 3 different types of scale factors. You have linear scale factors, area scale factors, and volume scale factors. In this problem, as you read it, you're talking about one prism A being 750 cubic units. That is a volume, so I'll put that under the volume category. Then it talks about prism B having a volume of 2,058 cubic units, and that also goes under the volume category. Then you'll make that into a fraction, and that fraction becomes the ratio of A to B, which is what it's asking for right here. And if you take that fraction and put it in your calculator, hit enter, you will not have the reduced fraction yet. So you'll need to make sure you reduce your fractions by pressing math, enter, enter. When you press math, enter, enter, you'll then get 125 over 343. That's the answer I want you to put in that blank. Then as you're going on further, you're asked to figure out how to find the linear scale factor. Well, when you look at this here, the units that are associated with volume are cubic units, and linear scale factors are just plain old units. If you ever want to change the ratio for cubic units into linear scale factor of just units, you have to cube root this fraction essentially. So you're going to take the fraction that I'm given here, 750 over 258, and we're going to do a cube root of that. And maybe you forgot how to do cube roots or need to learn how to. On your calculator, if you want to do a cube root, like for example the cube root of 8, you're going to press 3 for the kind of root that you're going to take here, then press math 5, which makes this little root symbol show up with a 3 there, and then the value you're going to actually evaluate in this case, which is an 8. But in our problem here, we're going to evaluate the third root or cube root of 750 over 2058. So type in 3, then press math 5 to make this part show up, and then type in that fraction with parentheses around your fraction, and then press enter. If you can press math, enter, enter also to turn it into a fraction, you'll then have your answer to this part right here. This answer right here will come out to be 5 over 7. That's basically it. And if I wanted to find the area, so this is 5/7. If you ever wanted to find the area scale factor, then I would just square that and have 25 over 49. And that's basically it, but this is the answer we're going to put in here, and that's a good way to find it. Good luck.